No more words out of your mouth. No more words out of your mouth. All right, this is 251561 SM, the People versus Imani Bays.
Yes, Todd Bernard on behalf of with Ms. Bates this morning. Ms. Bates, your name?
Imani Bates.
Your Honor, matter set for sentencing this morning. I've had the opportunity to meet with this young lady. I also spoke with her mother, who's present, supporting her. It's a favorable report, Your Honor. Recommendation is for her to be placed on a period of probation 771.1 with various terms. It is consistent with the plea agreement. We ask the court to adopt that. The only open issue, Your Honor, would be restitution. There was a statement provided by the complaining witness with a amount a little over $1,000. Only issue, Your Honor, is it indicates right on the document from Corwell that it's not a bill, and I don't know. My client is under the impression, because the child that her significant other and the complainant have in common has insurance. I don't know if insurance paid that, if that was paid out of pocket. We just simply have the statement that says this is not a bill, what the charges might be. So unless you can come up with a receipt, we're asking the court to hold off on the restitution.
Payments, and adjustments. Is this guy worth all this? I mean, it's not funny. It's messed up.
It's not here.
1043. I mean, we can set it for a restitution hearing. She's getting her money. If you owe her this money, she's getting it. I promise you that. But I can't tell by this, so we'll have it. I'm going to read her letter. Did you see it?
No, ma'am.
I personally don't know you, and you personally don't know me. However, you are dealing with a man I once dated and I now have a child with, and which should never have led up to some of your actions. After the first incident that took place on March 22nd of 24 at Raymond Jones's aunt house, while my 22-day-old son, Ramir Jones, was in the car with you, and his father should have never caused for you and I to have a physical altercation. Me and Raymond were having a heated argument that turned physical. This man told you to get out of the car and fight me, and you decided to get out of the car and fight. I have a child with Raymond Jones and have a court order. I have been beyond disrespected by you and Raymond Jones numerous times. You have called my phone and told me I'll get my son back when you say so, and I've told Raymond Jones to block my number from calling to check on my son. I could even call and check on my 6-month-old baby without issues with you. You went to her custody court hearing and disrespected me walking to the elevator, calling me out of my name. I said nothing to you, and again, the situation has nothing to do with you. I'm concerned why Raymond even brought you down to court regarding our son. You continue to insert yourself in me and Raymond's business and cause problems. Fighting for love isn't a route to go, and clearly Raymond is with both of us. Either of us have no reason to not like one another over a man that's playing both sides. I'm not an angel in this situation, and it takes two, and for every action, there's a reaction and a price we must pay. After the first fight, I still came to my senses and allowed my son to go with his dad and was told, you're not around him. You posted pictures of my son on Facebook and spoke nasty on my children on social media, including Ramir. You have also said numerous of times that Raymond Jones didn't want this baby and I should have gotten an abortion. No way possible as a mother I trust you around my son with the things you have said about my child and his siblings. It has been nonstop drama with you and I. I still gave Raymond Jones 50-50 every other week shared custody, and he still had you around my son. I have always expressed my concerns to Raymond Jones and was told you're not around him and not around him like that. After the first fight, you apologized for your actions. Then on 4/14, you came to my home in Dearborn Heights to fight me over a man I have a child with, and again, upset because he continued to have a relationship with me and tells me he's single. You won't let him go, and he wants to raise his kids and be single. He continues dealing with the both of us. You really have anger, jealous, spiteful behavior ways because Raymond continues to deal with me, and it's beyond words. Your actions continue to result in violence. Okay.
You can stop if you want.
No, here's the thing.
Yeah.
So, listen, no, I mean, you were charged with an aggravated assault, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And so basically, you and this other woman are fighting over, and in this case, you're the defendant, fighting over a man who's sleeping with both of you. That's what it sounds like.
That's what it sounds like.
So, and you are embarrassing yourself, Ms. Bates, because now you're in court. And all these people know that you're messing with this other woman. And this is the problem with women on women over men. It's like, listen. You two are playing right into his hands. And you're getting physically assaulted. Yeah, I mean, this was a reduction. You got a plea reduction, but it's like, I do not know what grown women are thinking when they fight over men. Of all the things in the world to fight over, men.
And Judge, I had that conversation with her, and she's, I believe, understanding that this other woman is not going away, especially with the child in common.
Are you still dating him?
Yeah, me and I live in-house.
And she...
Then he goes to her house and stays right there too?
No.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, he does. He
Well,
does.
yeah, whatever,
He
yeah.
does.
I'm sure.
He does.
That's fine.
He
Yeah.
does.
Okay. I'm not against it. I'm not denying.
So why are
anything.
you messing with him and this other woman and this baby?
So from your understanding, I'm messing with a baby?
Well,
A baby
from
that I
mine.
have, he's with
No,
us
no, no,
today
no,
right
no, no.
now. A
No,
baby that
no,
I have
no.
a week on and a week off. I take care of this baby since he was a week old.
Okay.
And
All
he's
right.
about to be 2 years old.
All right.
I don't
Miss
bother
Bates,
kids.
no more words out of your mouth. No more words out of your mouth. I'm being reasonable with you, Miss Bates. You went over to a woman's house and assaulted
come on
her.
now.
Oh, put her in the back. We'll have her
Like,
out.
come on now.
When you calm down, we'll do it again.
But for you to be saying, oh, you're
Go,
messing
go,
with
go.
this man and you're messing with the
She is
kids.
not a good
No, I'm
candidate
trying to
for
defend my
probation.
name. Be trying
Go
to
on.
defend my
Go,
name.
go, go.
You're attacking me.
All right, 10 days jail for contempt of court, direct contempt. And we'll bring her back out for sentencing and see if she wants another 93.